So we're once again taking our seat. Allowing ourselves to arrive. Just give yourself the permission to be here fully right now. And casting off any doubts of whether it's okay for you just to take some moments to sit with yourself. Even if we have some worries or some legitimate problems, we can take a minute to sit. And as you sit here, allowing your mind to turn towards your body and your breathing. And really uniting your mind and your thinking with your breath. Following your breath in. Noticing the peak of your breath. And following your breath out. If any thoughts arise, we can notice our thinking and come back to the breath. We're not blaming ourselves for thinking. And not holding ourselves to an unreasonable expectation that we should have no thoughts. So just continuing to ground yourself in your breathing. And in your body. Just practicing this. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for keeping up with the Just Meditate series. I hope it's going well for you. Let me know in the comments if you're having any particular problems or if you have any questions that I maybe haven't addressed or that you're just finding along your way of meditation. If you could give any of the videos a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you would consider subscribing or sharing with friends, that would also be a really big help. And that's it. So have a great day and thanks so much.